1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Y'all, I needed a flat iron so bad. Y'all, look at that, y'all. I needed a big barrel curling iron. Let's see how it curls, y'all. It's a nice bouncy curl. Ooh, that thing is hot.
The ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
What is up, guys? I am Shanea Shayon. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. So in today's vlog, I wanted to do a quick haul. As you guys can see, I'm still in my pajamas. I got a package in today, and today I actually took the time to wash my hair. So excuse me if I look a little off today, but it is perfect timing because what I ordered came from TEMU, and I ordered me some new beauty tools. Okay, I'm one of the girls that have had the same blow dryer, flat iron, curling iron for forever, and I feel like all of my beauty tools recently just checked out. My flat iron was smoking. My curler, my big barrel curler, like just would not heat up anymore. And my blow dryer, I still got that. We thugging it, but I'm definitely probably gonna go on and order me a new blow dryer from them if I like these tools. So you guys make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna jump into a quick TEMU beauty tools haul. So let's go, guys. Okay, y'all, so number one, first and foremost, guys, I will have my code up on the screen. So if you would like a discount on any of these products, they will be linked in the description. Anything that you shop on TEMU, make sure you use that code up on the screen. Okay, use that code, guys, and you're able to go and shop any of TEMU's products and get you a little discount. Okay, so first up we have, we're gonna start small. Let's start small. So first I got these, and what these are hair removal wax strips, right? I bought these because I noticed the older I get, the more and more little facial hair I've been getting. Okay, no, I haven't been diagnosed with PCOS or anything like that, but I am noticing like little facial hair. So I got these because I'm not like a wax girly where I'm gonna be in here melting wax or anything like that, but I did want a quick cost-effective remedy for just the little hairs that I've been seeing lately. So this is what they look like. I can't remember how many are in there, but it looks like about 20. So they come like this. And so in between is the wax. And basically you just apply and pull off. Okay, so we're actually gonna, let's try this out. So we're gonna try this one out. Let's see, y'all. I didn't even read the directions or nothing, but we're gonna see what this do. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Woo! Dang. Woo! Dang. But I will say, I did lose a couple little hairs, y'all. So it definitely worked. It didn't hurt too bad. It didn't hurt too bad. So that didn't even hurt that bad. That initial got me, but I wanted to try to, oh no, that wasn't too bad, y'all. Okay, that wasn't too bad. So these were super affordable again. Y'all know I love shopping TEMU products. They're just super affordable. This is the whole pack. And it looks like you really get 2 on each side. You definitely see a slight difference there. I would love to try these like under my eyebrows or like the middle part, or just when you start getting like little ingrown facial hairs. Like these are great and super cost effective. I will pop these up on the screen for you guys. Make sure y'all go shop them and use my code so you can get a discount. Like, I love these. So I'm actually gonna keep these right here. I love those. Shout out to TEMU for those. And we're gonna jump into the next beauty tool, which is this flat iron. Y'all, I needed a flat iron so bad. Okay, my old flat iron, I'm gonna pop this one up on the screen. It was super cost effective. I love it. I love the sleek design. I love the color. I just thought it was so cute. But my old flat iron had went through it. Okay, it started smoking and everything, and I felt like every time I would be done like flat ironing my hair would like smell burnt, and I hated that. It left my hair just not feeling lightweight or any of that. It it left my hair feeling very heavy and almost dirty, and I hate that. So being that I just washed my hair today, as you guys can see, I will actually be using this today, okay? So you guys stay tuned for the next vlog, because I'll probably be doing a review on this because I really want to see how it performs. And I also got to do my hair because I go back to work tomorrow, so I need to get it together, okay? So let's unbox this and see what it looks like. Y'all, get into it. Like, get into that. I didn't even realize I actually got the pink one. I really did think I got the blue one. Ooh. I do love that it has a extra. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. It's heavy as well. It has some weight on it, which I love. Oh, this is going to be great. And the thing I love about this is that these actually get hot too. So not only is it a flat iron, it's a curling iron too. So if you're one of those girls that curl your hair with your flat iron, I'm trying to get there. Like, I am trying to learn how to curl my hair with the flat irons. It's just so hard to me. But a styling tool like this will definitely help because it's hot on both sides. So as you turn, it's already curling. So I love that. It has multiple heat settings. I also love that the cord comes with the wrap so that, you know, you're not tripping over it. And it also makes for easy storage. And look how long that cord is. Like, that's a long cord. So if you need this for your shop or for your business or something, baby, plug that right on up. That is so nice, y'all. I love it. I love it. Y'all stay tuned for the next vlog. I'm actually going to try these out. And I was trying to see what heat settings it goes up to. And it looks like it goes all the way up to 465, y'all. So it goes up to 465. That is so freaking nice. Like, shout out to TEMU. I will have this linked in the description, y'all. Make sure you go shop it. If this one is sold out, because I got a feeling it's going to sell out. But if this is sold out, I will have one comparable to it linked in the description. So shout out to TEMU, y'all. That is the bomb. Like, this is a must-have beauty tool. Like, you got to get that. And if you're anything like me, y'all, I know you need a new flat iron. So shout out to TEMU for that. Okay, make sure you guys are using that code on the screen. Okay, y'all. So what do we have next? So next up, we have this curling iron. I needed a big barrel curling iron. I'm so country, y'all. Everything is iron, flat iron, curling iron. It's iron. This cap curling iron. I don't even sound right saying it. But I love this. It looked like it was really good. I read the reviews. The reviews looked good as well. I love big barrel curling irons because I'm really trying to start wearing more of my real hair. And that's so dumb because it is summertime. But I'm just kind of getting tired of weave. Like, if it's not braids, I'm tired of bundles. I'm tired of wigs. I'm tired of all that. Like, I'm really in my, like, fun styles and braids era. But outside of that, I just like wearing my real hair, just flat ironing it, putting some big bouncy curls in it, wrapping it, and calling it a day. Okay? So this is what it looks like. Ooh, that is pretty. That is pretty. So I got the purple. And even if you don't find this exact one, they have plenty of these on there. And this actually has, so this has like an ion button here. And this gets really hot too. It goes up to 200 Celsius. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit, but it get hot. Okay, it get hot. But yeah, y'all, very durable handle. I like that it has the little pegs there too. I love this barrel size. I want to see how hot this gets though. So let me plug it up. Also has a little storage thing there so you can keep it wrapped. But I want to see how hot this get, y'all. Let's see. So I'm going to put it on the hottest one. And let's see. I love that it uses like the ion technology. That's usually really good on your hair, especially when you're dealing with a lot of heat. Oh, it does have like a little built-in stand so I can set it there if I need to. Okay. Oh, it's already getting hot. Let's see if we can curl a piece of my hair. So let's see how it curls, y'all. It does get hot. I will say that. Okay. I think. So you can see It gave me a nice bouncy curl, which is exactly what I want in a big barrel curling iron. So shout out to TEMU. Ooh, that thing is hot too. Shout out to TEMU. Love that. So usually for me, I'll like straighten my hair and then I'll go and just put like 5 or 6 big barrel curls in it. So I'll be able to do that with that. Shout out to TEMU. That thing is hot too. Oh my gosh, that literally looks like the luxurious one that everybody uses. I love that. Shout out to TEMU. Okay, you guys, that's all I got. I just wanted to show you guys these amazing products that I got because I am about to use them on my hair, as you guys can see. So shout out to TEMU. I will have them both linked in the description. Make sure you guys are using my code that is up on the screen. Also, guys, if you receive anything, keep in mind that TEMU does have hassle-free returns as well as free shipping as long as it's coming from the TEMU warehouse. So you guys take advantage of those benefits as well as these amazing beauty tools at super affordable rates. Come back because we'll be flat under my hair. Shout out to TEMU. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.